Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial, and as you guys can see, I am braiding my hair because I'm going to be putting a fall color in my hair as well, so you guys can watch me braid. So this is basically like a fall prep with me kind of video, just kind of prepping for fall, like bringing out all of my fall makeup. And I wanted to, like I said, put a fall color in my hair. So I'm just showing you guys the products that I use, and I already kind of started braiding my hair already. I started braiding my hair in the back, and then I work my way up to the front. Sometimes I might start in the front and then work my way to the back. It just depends, but I'm putting some medium-sized box braids in my hair. I'm going to show you guys how I install braiding hair. Of course, I go ahead and part some hair. I'm not the best parter. I try to do it as best as I can, and I smooth it down. I will take a portion of the braiding hair, and then I will loop it on top of each other. So just a reference, when you loop it, you know that it's on top of each other if you can pop it, just how I'm doing right here. And once you do that, you want to take your pointer finger and your middle finger and your thumb. You want to take that, and I'm kind of showing you guys how your hands should be positioned when you're holding the hair. And this is what I do. Everybody do something different. And on the other side, you want to take your pointer finger and make sure you leave a hole that's open, because you're going to take those three fingers and you're going to hold your braiding hair like this. And what you want to do is you want to go under, not over. Under, not over. So you want to go under and put your pointer finger in that slot, like that little hole. And then it'll be easier if you like take a little piece of hair out of that hair that you parted, and you're going to use that to start off your braid. I hope I explain this. I hope I explain it in a way you guys can understand. You want to take that hair that you have in your hand and also grab your hair, and what I do is I kind of let go a little bit, as you guys can see, and then I start grabbing hair. So if you already know how to braid, you should be able to position your hands properly. Only thing is you just have braiding hair in your hand, that's it, and it just automatically, you know, it starts braiding with your real hair. So it's just something that you have to practice, and it's kind of hard explaining how to braid. I can always do a video like this again. If you guys are somebody, if you all are, you know, you're a visual learner, maybe you can keep looking at this portion of the video, but I tried to explain it as best as I can. So now I'm going to add the red color. This color is 425. Now this is like a, it's red, but it's like a it's red, okay? It's like a burgundy color. So I decided to put this color in my hair. This is my fall color, and I'm not doing the whole top part of my head, as you guys will see as the video go on. I'm just braiding a patch of my hair. It turned out really cute. You guys will see later on, but I really do like this color. I did pick out another red, and I'm glad I did not go with that red, because that red was really bright. This one is more like a soft burgundy kind of color, and it looks good. So I'm just parting out the patch of hair that I just only want for my burgundy pieces in my hair. So it is the next day, you guys. I went to bed because I was tired. It was Friday night, so this is Saturday morning. So I made it to the top of my head, and right now I wanted to create a flip over method with my braids. And I basically parted my hair in like a side part, you know what I mean? So I am making sure I braid my hair to the side because I want it to stay on the side, because I wanted to have that flip over braid look, you know what I mean? So as you guys can see, I'm making sure my braids are on the side the way I'm braiding. You guys, I was so happy I was on my last braid. Like, y'all just don't understand, okay? I was so happy. So this is my last braid. I also forgot to mention, as I braid, like when I'm doing my braids, I always add gel or like braiding gel edge control as I braid, and this what helps me braid my hair, and it keeps my braids really neat as I'm braiding, and it keeps all the synthetic braiding hair, it keeps it intact, so it's less flyaways. So I love doing that method because I don't have to really worry about cutting too much of the flyaways away. And also I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp with Jamaican black castor oil. And then I'm going to take everybody's favorite hair mousse from the beauty supply store. I'm going to take that and I'm going to set the bottom part of my braids, and I love using this mousse. It's so good. And then I'm going to go in with the Red by Kiss mousse. I like this mousse because it has Jamaican black castor oil in it, and it leaves my braids shiny. And then I'm going to go in with the Edge Booster mousse, and I like this mousse because it's kind of watery and it really helps set my braids because of the consistency. So I do have 3 different kinds of mousses in my hair, but this is what keep my braids lasting for a long time. And I already dipped my braids already, I just didn't do it on camera. So this is what my braids are looking like from the back. Alright guys, so this is my hair. It turned out so cute. So now we're going to jump into my fall makeup. So right now I am doing my eyebrows. I need my eyebrows done so bad, okay? I'm having a hard time deciding if I should do them myself and save money or go get them waxed. I just don't know. But right now we're going to fill in my brows, and I'm going to be tinting my eyebrows in this video because I want to just make this the ultimate fall makeup ever. So I'm going to be tinting my eyebrows, and I'm going to do that by using a special pencil, okay? So I'm just outlining my brows, and I want my brows to kind of mimic the color in my hair. So I'm going to be using this lip liner from Nicka, and this is just a red lip liner. So this is a tip. I'm pretty sure you guys already know this, but if you want to tint your brows without actually coloring your brows, you could take any color lip liner or gel eyeliner and just kind of run it through your brows. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking this lip liner. This is $1 at the beauty supply store, and I am, as you guys can see, I'm just taking that red lip liner. I'm going back and forth with the regular brow pencil and the lip liner so I can create that burgundy tinted eyebrow look. And I can add as much red as I want to or less as possible. So I just did an equal amount of the red and the regular brow pencil. So now that my brows are done, they turned out really cute. I'm going to use my DIOR palette, and I'm going to use that matte burgundy shade, and I'm going to use a all over the lid eyeshadow brush. I love using these kind of brushes because it really pack down the color, and it just really applies the eyeshadow all over my lid really quickly. So I'm going to use that matte burgundy shade all over the lid, and I'm also going to bring it up into my crease. And this look is super easy because I'm only using one eyeshadow. I know the DIOR palettes are expensive. If you want more of a affordable option, I recommend the Nicka, I think it's Poison Apple. I think that's the name of the palette. That palette has some really nice deep reds and burgundies in that palette. That palette is $4 versus this palette is, I think it's $50. So you pick which one that you want to use, but I just want to give you guys an affordable option. So I'm also going to go and take my bronzer. This is just the Juvia's Place bronzer. You can use whatever you want to use, but I'm just taking those bronzers, and I'm using that to diffuse the eyeshadow that I put all over my lid. So as you guys can see, one eye is blended and the other is not. You want to make sure you do this because you don't want it to look like the eyeshadow is just sitting on your eye. So make sure you go in with a fluffy brush and just either diffuse the eyeshadow or use another color to diffuse it out. So that's what I'm doing here on my eyes. The next thing I'm going to do is apply some primer. I did go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip, and then I'm also using the Makeup Revolution mattifying primer all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with my DIOR Backstage foundation. I'm going to use that. And this is my favorite brush that I'm using. It's from Temu. I love this brush. I love it because it gets all in the crevices, not the crevices, but those little corners. It's hard to get it in, you know, when you're doing your makeup. and I like this brush because it works well around my eyebrows, around my nose, or my forehead. So I've really been enjoying this brush. So now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Kiss mattifying powder in translucent deep, I believe. I'm going to use that to set my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face with the One Size a trio palette thingy. But anyways, I love this palette. I really love this palette. This would definitely be in my favorites. The only thing I regret is not contouring more. That's what I want to do this fall and winter, making sure that I look extra snatch. So I really wish I would have contoured more with this look, but I can always do it again. But I just really love this bronzer. It looks so good. And I'm gonna go in with the Patrick Ta blush. This is one of the new shades that Patrick Ta came out with. I think I hauled this to you guys or tried it on or something like that. This blush is really pigmented, you guys. So I'm going to use that. I'm also going to go in with the Ioni lash liner glue, and I'm still trying to see if I like this or not because I'm not sure. And that's my bed that's making that noise, if you guys can hear that. I'm also using some Ioni eyelashes. I think these are the extra large wispy lashes or something like that. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite thing. I love whipping this out in the fall time. This is a liquid lipstick from Too Faced, and I don't know the name right now, but once again, everything will be listed in the description box. And this just tied the look all together. I just love the way this entire look. And this is from Ioni as well. This is a highlighter from the Dollar Tree, and the name of this highlighter is called Chloe. And then I'm going to go in and set my face with Milani's setting spray. Alright y'all, so I am back. I went ahead and just did my edges. So this is the final look with my hair and my makeup. I just wanted to create the fall vibes with the hair and all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to create like a flip over side part method. I just want to put a pop of color, and I am loving it. It looks so good with the makeup, and this is my favorite liquid lipstick for fall. I forgot, I think I ordered this online. I don't remember picking this up in the store. This is Too Faced Melted Matte Drop Dead Red liquid lipstick. And if you guys want a really nice liquid lipstick for fall, I suggest Too Faced and Milani. Milani has some really good ones as well. So I'll talk to you guys in a new video. And if you guys are new here, make sure you guys comment down below. Please consider subscribing, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.